Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to install a license to activate a 10 gig port on the Ruckus Wireless ICX 6610. I have two different units. So one unit doesn't have any 10 gig license, and the other unit comes with a four port 10 gig license already installed. I will show you, how to install the license. It's a very basic procedure, but just in case, people may looking for that information. I have video for that. So basically, let me show you what exactly we have in here. A show version, and what it, what you need, for to generate the license, basically the license identification number. It's this one right here. So actually, is you show license, it will show you, the lead number right there. So this particular switch, this one comes with the premium license, which basically, the layer 3 capability, and the other license right here, right there, is the 4 port 10 gig. So let me show you. Show interface brief. So this is a 48 port switch, PoE, and then and look at that. So this basically, this right here is you execute show modules. So right here, this the module number 3. Basically, this is the 8 port 10 gig right there. By default, all port are running or are activate, to 1 gig, as we can see right here. But since we have a license on the first port, we can change the speed of that particular port, to 10 gig. Let's see if we can execute that. For example, show interface Ethernet 1.3.1. See I have already some octet connectors on the unit, so basically that's why, the unit is up, and then 10 gig is up and the protocol is up. But what happened? So the interface type is 10 gig SSP plus, but the speed right now is only 1 gig. So you need to change the speed on that port, to bring, the all ports to 10 gig. So let's do that. Interface Ethernet 131 that /1 to 131/3.4. So you activate a range of interface. You don't need to do, by each interface, So enter here, and then you type exit speed 10 gig full. So what happened, that will change the speed on that particular port on the first port. Why? Because the license is already there. But what happened with the other port is there is no license. They will be operating, at 1 gig speed. So for example, if I want to activate the 10 gig on the other port, interface 1. Ethernet 1.3.5, for example, the speed 10 gig full. Look, there is no license present, so that's why I need to, install a license on this particular unit. So let's do that. So how do you copy the license? Since there is no any USB port on this switch, the only way to do that is do that through the network, through the TFTP server. I already copied the file to my TFTP server, so I need to copy the license files to the unit. So let's do that. Copy. Let me see first the license, the lead number. license identification number, which is this one right here. So only for port. So I have the file already right here, and it's this one right here. Copy TFTP to license 192.168.0.102, the license file, which is this one right here, and the unit number, unit 1. Enter. So that will be basically, just take a minute maybe, because just, it's just a text file basically. Let's see, show license. There we go. Look at that. So this activate the other 8 port, the other 4 ports. Sorry. So now I can go into the interface Ethernet 1.3.5 to 1.3/8, speed 10 gig full. So there we go. So basically, if we, show interface brief, so look at here, from interface 1/3.1 to 8, we have already the license on the unit, which activate basically the last 4 port right here. And this is how you install the license on the ICXs. So I have another case. The other case is another unit that I have. I already set SSH on the unit, SSH 192.168.0.180, username Carlos, and password So let's see what we have here. Shop version. When you execute shop version, you can see the license identification number right there, but shop license to get more details about that. So in this case, look, it's only the prim license, only the layer 3 license, so there is no more license. So I need to copy the license file to activate all 8 ports. So that's the other case. So basically this is the license ID number, and I have that in here. Copy TFTP to license 192.168.0.102, the license file, paste, and the unit number. How do you get the unit number? Right here. Look at that. Because this is basically just a single switch. If there is a different configuration, for example, the unit is working into the stat configuration, that's another parameters. Unit 1. So now shop license, and there we go, guys. So we have in there, the other port right there. So you need to basically just go into the configuration and activate. You can go configure terminal, interface Ethernet 1.3.1 to 1.3.8, speed 10 gig full. it just take a while to activate, the other interfaces. But basically, okay, there we go. And as like I said before, by default the unit, all interfaces are working as a 1 gig speed. So you need to change the speed to 10 gig if you want to use that particular speed. Thank you. This is everything for this for this case and this video, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And if you like the video, please give me a like and share with your friends and coworkers. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.